On 2005 Sprinter, we are going to clean the O2 sensor. 7/8 or 22 millimeters socket, special socket for this kind of job. Oh boy. Man, with the right tools, you can get this job pretty fast. Oh boy, pretty dirty. So let's clean this popsicle. Все. Жека, ты сзади за мной становись, только выравнивай камеру.
Куда?
Вот так. Вот так верни. Вот так. Жека, камера на этот несу. Студию целую сделаю. Ooh, look how much carbs built in. Boys, doesn't the fumes keeps us going? Okay, so it's time to put everything back.